From the back row, eto si Yen Martin, cross court, popped up by Ceballos. Vanessa Sari showing us improved defense from the back row, and Judiel Netura gets the first point para sa Letran this season.
Yeah, first point para kay Netura. And medyo nagkalituhan lang tong sila dito sa part ng Arellano kung sino kukuha ng bola. Pero makikita natin yung floor defense nitong both teams natin gumagana dito sa first set.
Netura was also one of the league's top scorers, was in the top 5 for the duration of all of season 100, which was, for the first time, John Vic, a double round robin last year.
Yeah. And medyo matugo din yung pinagdaanan nitong mga players na to. And I'm sure itong season na to, Anton, medyo kakaibang twist din para sa, especially sa mga coaches, kung ano magiging program proper nila para dun sa conditioning nitong mga players.
Another one of our top spikers, Laika Todlasan, too strong on that serve. Laika Todlasan very comfortable with this venue, itong San Andres Gym. Dito siya nag-debut as a rookie.
Yes. Paminsan-minsan talaga may mga court talaga na dun ka nag-start, dun ka nag-bloom, dun ka gumaling at dun ka nakilala.
Servidad getting a lot of opportunities. She is the rookie to watch para dito sa Arellano.
Wow.
That's a block point for the
That's a
Lady
good
Knights.
sign for the Letran Lady Knights. Dahil kung merong isang weakness, if we were going to nitpick and pinpoint kung anong area for improvement ng Letran last year, it's the blocking.
Yes, it's the blocking. And what a great block coming dito kay Isar, ang kanilang middle blocker.
Of course, she will learn a lot from the legendary Mayet Carolino, who is a middle blocker herself. As we see Villaflores
Point awareness
straight to the
Lady
net on that
Knights.
spike.
Another free point para sa Letran Knights. And paminsan-minsan, Anton, hindi ko masisisi yung mga players. Lalo na kung first game. May first game jitters na tinatawag. So medyo, ano pa yan, medyo stiff pa, medyo kabado pa. Maya-maya lang.
Dumasig, oh, what a set. But great timing by Lastly Isar. Back row attack, picked up by Dumasig.
Oops.
That's a point for the
Sunod-sunod na yung mga unforced errors na nanggagaling dito sa Arellano. And it's easy para
Palang
dito sa Letran
Padilla
dahil
still
may mga
serving
free
for the
points
Lady
silang nakukuha
Knights.
sa ating first set.
John Vic, we mentioned the one player gone from Letran, Royce De La Cruz. Ang pumalit sa kanya sa starting unit, itong si Palang Padilla.
Service error.
So you can see, tumitingin-tingin siya sa sidelines.
Yeah.
As she's still trying to get accustomed to her new role, which is expanded responsibility para sa kanya.
And yan yung isa sa mga bagay na kailangan tandaan ng mga players, especially kapag i-fill in mo yung posisyon ng mga senior players mo. Medyo nakaka-pressure, but at the same time, it's teamwork at the end of the day. So, kailangan mo ng tulong na magagaling sa mga teammates mo.
And there we see the craftiness of one Judiel Netura. She can do it all. Down the line, cross court, drop shot, malakas, madiskarte, matalino.
Ang daming variations and options nitong one of the best attackers ng Letran. Wow!
Nagpapakilala agad, nagpapakita ng lakas si Servidad.
Grabe.
Judiel
But here
Netura.
is Judiel Netura. It's not about the power.
Yeah. And in fairness dito kay Silva, ang pinaka-main,
Score is
the
7-13.
captain. Ang isa sa pinakamagaling dumepensa sa NCAA. And even sa Beach Valley,
Oh yeah.
di ba?
Team captain of the Lady Knights for the second straight season, 3-time beach volleyball champion, and
Grabe.
2-time best libero, Lara May Silva. Yun lang, straight to the net sa palo na yon mula kay
Now
Judiel.
serving for Arellano, Chris Servidad.
Now, I want to see how Servidad will serve. Okay, keep playing it safe, hindi pa agresibo.
Oo.
Ooh! Lastly, Isar stepping in for the quick attack, and Letran heads into this technical timeout with an 8-3 early lead against
Favor
Arellano.
of the Oleo de San Juan de Letran Lady Knights.
exciting NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Season 101 is really a fresh start for both of our teams today. For the Lady Knights with the new coaching staff and new systems in place. But according to Coach Mayet Carolino, hindi sila nahirapang mag-adjust, especially that everyone is really willing to take a step as a leader. But in other news, Gia Makilang won't be playing today, although she is suited up because her coaching staff decided that it will be best for her to sit down, and because she is not at 100% today at ipapasok na lamang kung talagang kinakailangan. Sa Lady Chiefs naman, Coach Obet Javier stated that their preseason made the team more intact than ever, although they're also missing one player today as Sam Tira is currently recovering from a minor foot operation. Coach Obet mentioned that we can expect her to be back after at least 3 games. All for now, Anton and John Vic.
Thank you very much, Christine San Agustin, for those injury updates. So those are key players, John Vic. Sam Tira was a rookie last year. Very effective as a middle blocker. And of course, Gia Makilang, beach volleyball champion. And siya yung spark ng Letran Lady Knights.
Timeout, Arellano University Lady Chiefs.
Hinabol mo yung bola, sayang yung effort mo. Itaas mo lang, hindi mo na kailangan paganda yung set dito. O bakit hindi tayo makatake? Kasi ikaw tinatarget, di ba? Hindi mo pinaghandaan eh.
Gusto mo ba pumasok ka na lang? Hello?
Di ba? Pag hindi mo pinaghandaan yan, ganyan ang mangyayari. Wala tayong papaluin.
Kaya mo? Kaya mo ba?
Mga simple reminders from Coach Obet. Alam mo, minsan talaga yung first game jitters, mapipil yan ng isang player hanggang sa magkahawa-hawa inside the court. And balikan ko lang yung report ni Tin. Tama, ako natutuwa ako dun sa mga coaches na, alam mo, concern with regards to mga injured players nila dahil mahaba tong season, Anton. So, kailangan talaga panatiliin nila safe at pangmatagalan yung magiging recovery nito mga players.
And that's the reason why you have 14 players and reserves in a roster, because injuries, inevitable yan. It's going to happen in sports. And look at this step-up job by Casey Putzalan. Coach Obet singled her out in the last huddle. Sabi, siya yung tina-target. So, ngayon, nakabawi siya.
Yeah. As we can see dito sa part naman ng Letran, kung makikita natin, napaka-aggressive nila when it comes to attack. Pero medyo nahihirapan lang itong Arellano pagdating sa blockings nila dahil nalilito sila kung sino yung pinakababantayan nilang main gunner nitong Letran Knights.
We saw Gia Makilang out with a pulled abdominal muscle. So, minor injury. But better to play it safe than be sorry in the end.
Kasi may mga minor injuries na kapag pinilit mo, mas tumatagal. At ang bad thing doon, hindi ka na makakalaro all throughout the season.
Meanwhile, a back row bomb from Yen Martin.
For the Lady Knights.
In fairness dito sa Letran, Anton, marami silang options sa spiking. Kanina sinitura nagpa-back row. But this time, nanggaling naman ng back row kay Martin.
Hindi pa nga gumagawa si Bane. Pag gumawa na si Bane, ayan na. Yan na yung tunay na lakas ng Letran. Oh! Sarado! Rising up to deny one of the NCAA's most powerful spikers, Laika Tudlasan. Look at Letran. Raise the roof, Judiel Nitura.
Ibang klase yung timing nitong opposite and middle blockers nitong Letran Knights.
So that area of weakness last season, they're showing a lot of improvement now.
Laika Tudlasan.
Tumama sa linya para kay Laika.
Pumasok. Again, pag naglalaro ng volleyball, hindi naman kailangan malakas yung spike. Additional na yon para ma-deflect mo yung mga blockers. But this is the mind games. Kung sino mas smart, mas advantage.
Silva, free ball for Arellano. Domasig, Tutudlasan. Buhay pa to. Dong, binalik kay Laika. Nakaabang si Yen. Sari. Silva goes to the other side para kay Judiel. Cross court. Popped up by Servidad. And
Attack too low.
Connection was off for Dumasigan Mangubat.
Even attacks, even blockings, and mga unforced errors na nanggagaling dito sa Arellano. Ito yung medyo nagbibigay sa team nila ng kahirapan sa pag-recover. And kung makikita natin, Letran, smooth lang ang ginagawa nila.
Tudlasan. Too much spice on that spike
Attack too strong.
for Laika.
Grabe ang errors ng
Score is
Arellano dito sa first set natin.
Vanessa Sari, the sophomore. Kakaiba yung service ni Vanessa ngayon, ha? Parang nagfo-float papunta sa left side.
And touch
It's
for
more on
Arellano.
targeting. Tsaka maganda yung contact niya sa bola.
And let's see if she's gonna do it again, ha? Because that's 2 consecutive serves na pa-float sa kaliwang side.
Second technical timeout.
Yung bola.
Our score is 16-5.
All right, we will take a break.
In
Letran
favor of the
leads
Pareos
Arellano 16-5.
Lady Knights.
A dominant start for the Letran Lady Knights. I spoke to Coach Mayat Carolino before this game and sabi ko, Coach, ano ba ang goal for this year? And they don't want to put that much pressure on themselves kasi 2 straight years in the finals sila eh. So they'll take it a match at a time, but obviously, ang gusto nila is improvement.
Yeah.
But the room for improvement is very small because ang next na ng second place is champion.
Yeah. Well, I think kung meron mang isang bagay na naglalag sa Letran, kung babalikan natin yung previous games nila sa championship, is yung kung paano nila i-enjoy yung game. Kasi pag tungtong ng semifinals, talagang nadodominate nila yung mga nakakatapat nila. But pagdating dun sa finals, which is kalaban nila, yung College of St. Benilde, medyo nagkakaroon ng stiffness and alam mo yung rivalry feeling. So feeling ko, yun lang yung isang bagay na napapansin ko sa kanila, yung mag-enjoy sila pag nasa championship na.
Wow! The explosiveness of Judiel Nitura is on another level here in season 101. What a start for Nitura.
Timeout, Arellano University.
Rising and surprising that Arellano defense.
Shoot mo yung bola papunta dito. Eh, di binigay mo rin din sa kanya. Sana nilagay mo dito yung bola. Diba? Kasi iba yung dating. Pag nanggagaling sa libero, kaysa doon sa iba. Eh, pilang sinushoot mo na nga lang, nilalagay mo na lang sa kanya pa. Maling selection eh.
Well, tama naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Obet, Anton. Pag magbibigay ka ng chance ball, make sure na medyo mas mapapahirapan mo pa itong mga players or yung mga defender na makuha yung bola. Ang tendency kasi kapag binigay mo dun sa libero yung bola, dahil buong taon niyang pinag-aaralan niyang defense, eh napakadali na sa kanya. Considering ang kanilang team captain, si Silva pa ang bibigyan mo ng chance ball. So, mas mahirapan kayo dumepensa.
Nag-adjust yung depensa ng Arellano. Si Ceballos, inabangan na yung zone na tina-target ni Sari. So Sari changing her serve as well. Wow. Nitura is on fire. Fire. The Gen Zers, that's how they say it.
Yan yung ibang klase kay si Estrelier, Anton. Grabe yung, yung vision niya inside the court. Gumamit siya ng opposite setting doon sa pagkakataon na yun. And expected itong Arellano na sa open side na dadalhin yung bola, but surprisingly, nandun si Nitura.
Cantomaso.
Tumagal din
Now
si
serving for the
Vanessa
Arellano.
sa service line.
Oo.
It's only her error that forced this turnaround. Estrelier. Let's see what Domasig will do. Binigay kay Moming. Kakapasok lang ni Padillon. Padillon, second try.
Another
Blocking is on point.
Ibang klase. Yeah.
Substitution for the Lady Chiefs.
Imagine two
Number 10,
players
Moming Padillon out.
na may mataas na
Number 7,
reach,
Boycott Tudlasan
na may
in.
mataas na talon, and may magandang timing.
Jodiel Nitura, no serving
Napakahirap
for the
lusutan doon,
try.
Anton.
Early statement ito para sa Letran. This is improved blocking for this Lady Knights squad. Tudlasan. Oh, what a
Wow.
save! What a save! Oh! Our
That's a point
referee
for the
say
Lady
no though.
Sabi ni Silva, may tumama naman yung dalawang daliri ko.
It very much looked like a save. Tignan natin sa replay. The
No.
dolphin dive.
Service long.
Doon sa replay, possible na ano niya, na-dig niya. No?
Ako, because it's Silva, I will say yes.
Oo, ako din.
Palang Padilla, now
Dahil si
serving for the
Silva.
Lady Knights.
The very best at her possession here in the NCAA. 21 serving 7. Oh,
Service. Ay!
that's good for the confidence of the new starter, Padilla.
Tama yung sinasabi mo, Anton. Yung statement na binibigay itong Letran dito sa ating first game sa NCAA. Ibang klase.
This is 2 straight years of falling short of their ultimate goal. So will the third time be the charm? Ayan ang storyline ngayon para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Pero sabi ni Servidad, teka lang, nagwa-warm up pa ako.
Now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
The rookie to watch,
Chris Maguba.
Crisanta, Chris Servidad. Martin. Blockers were there. Domasig and Servidad.
Pakiusap po ulit
Good
sa
luck
ating
for
mga fans.
Arellano.
Iwasan po natin gumamit ng flash sa inyong mga camera. Maraming salamat po.
Medyo mahaba ang score na kailangan habulin ng Arellano, but hindi pa huli ang lahat dahil pwede pa silang mag-build up ng momentum dito sa first set.
And there you see the veteran setter, Nat Estrelier, on the second touch. Donut hole
Now serving for the Lady Knights.
on the Arellano side. Ooh, aggressive serve by Yen
Wow.
Martin. Happy New Year. Nagpasabog si Yen Martin. Sabi niya, malaki naman ang kalamangan.
Yen Martin.
So she'll go for it. She'll be aggressive. No risk it, no biscuit.
Casey Bunzala.
Good set coming from Domasig.
Chris Servidad. Now serving for the Lady Chiefs.
Minsan nagkakaroon lang ng struggle itong Arellano when it comes to defense and ang first ball nila. Well, in fairness naman kasi sa Letran, talagang kargado lahat ng service.
LJ Isa.
What a finish for the Letran Lady Knights. LJ Isar with a running attack para tapusin ang ating opening set. A dominant start for the Letran Lady Knights. They take set number 125 to 10. You're watching NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball.
Now leading the game 1-7 to none.
an opening statement for the championship-seeking Letran Lady Knights. Talk about an early flex. This is the time you're just supposed to be warming up. Pero nag-flex agad itong Letran Lady Knights. And Judiel Netura was the star in that first set. And we see a very energetic and happy former MVP, back-to-back champion, new head coach of the Lady Knights, Mayet Carolino, enjoying the experience so far.
Alam mo, ang nakikita ko lang dito sa first set natin, kung titignan natin yung galaw ng Letran, yun na sila. It's just that mas nag-improve lang yung kanilang defense na galing sa blockings and sa kanilang floor defense. But ang hinihintay natin yung init na gusto nating makita galing dito sa Arellano. So, we'll see kung dito sa second set ay makakabawi sila.
There's that running attack, yung huling puntos mula kay Lastly Isar, one of 3 graduating players from the Letran Lady Knights side. And John Vic, nakikita natin yung improvement sa blocking department.
And ito yung medyo mababa sa Arellano, yung start nila itong first set. Nagbigay agad sila ng 7 free point para dito sa Letran. And when it comes to attack, grabe yung pinakawalan nitong Letran Knights.
So let's see how Coach Obed Javier's players will adjust. Papasok dito sa second set. Hindi pa gumagawa si Vanessa Saria. I don't think Saria scored a point. And, you know, she's the reigning top scorer of the NCAA. So that's how scary this Lady Knights team is.
Yeah. Well, siguro part na rin ng pag-aaral nila dito sa Arellano is ma-eliminate yung number 1 scorers ng Arellano and effective first set.
Kaya lang, gumawa yung iba.
Yeah.
Big time step up for Judiel Netura. Well, not really Judiel, because Judiel's already one of the top 5 scorers in the NCAA, but the likes of Martin, Isar, and even Padilla was able to do some damage.
Wow.
Tingin ko, ginanahan kasi nabuhay yung Arellano crowd.
And during first set, itong si Servidad talaga yung kahit pa paano nagtataas ng moral itong Arellano. And hopefully, this second set magtuloy-tuloy yung kanyang ginagawa.
Isang napakahirap na set. Looks simple but very hard to do. Backpedaling, Domasig. And Padilla is making a mark.
Sometimes, Anton, ang key para makilala ang isang player, para ma-recognize yung galing niya, is yung setter. So talagang as much as possible during practices, during trainings, dumikit ka dun sa setter at talagang galingan mo every time na bibigyan ka niya ng set.
Domasig. Tutudlasan. Good intention, just too much power.
Another free point para sa Letran. And yung reaction nila every point, every time na magkakaroon ng error itong Arellano, nag-enjoy lang sila. Siyempre, sino bang hindi mag-enjoy? Free point yun, di ba?
Domasig to Servidad. Cross court. Okay.
Another powerful hit galing kay Servidad.
We are getting familiar with the game that Chris Servidad has brought or is bringing to this Arellano Lady Chief squad. And what about that impeccable timing by Nat Estrelier?
Overpass. Great timing para sa kanilang setter na si Estrelier.
Martin continuing to stay aggressive from the service line. And that's an ace for Yen.
Another service ace para sa koponan ng Letran. Diba? Nung first set, yan na rin yung nagiging problem ng Arellano. Hindi sila nakakakuha ng first ball. And wala silang ano ngayon, hindi nahihirapan yung setter nila mag-create ng attack, ng combination play. And pag nakaka-receive naman sila,
Attack goes out.
just like what happened,
Point awarded to
error
Lady
naman
Knights.
ang kapalit na galing sa mga attackers.
Still serving for Letran, Yan Martin.
Let's see if there will be a better pass here. Dahil patuloy na nagpapakawala ng mga mabibigat na serve itong si Martin. Now there's a solid attack from Arellano and there she is! Ayan na po!
Ayan na.
Vanessa Sari has joined the group chat.
Well, siguro nagbibigay lang siya ng opportunity para doon sa ibang players na ng letra na. Sige, first set, sige, kayo muna dyan. Basta pagdating ng second set, ilalabas ko na yung tinatago kong galing.
Nakaka-miss din may ano may even as a fan, you can feel it yung lakas ni Sari.
Totoo.
Kay Mangubat with the block point.
Good timing para kay Mangubat. Well, if there's one thing na pwedeng gawin ng Arellano, kung nahihirapan silang mag-receive, kung nahihirapan silang mag-create ng mga combination play para umatake, bumawi sila sa blockings. Kasi alam naman natin, magaling na ang Letran pagdating sa mga combination play. Pero kung tatapatan mo sila ng magandang defense na blockings, medyo kahit paano madedeflect at malolo moral itong mga attackers.
At malolo moral ka talaga pag hindi mo mapigilan itong si Vanessa Sari. Mamaw sa women's volleyball.
Grabe.
Judiel. Pablo. Silva. Back to Judiel. Combination
Wow.
play. Servidad.
Chris Servidad.
Great defense and great combination play galing sa Arellano University. Servidad with a powerful hit.
Chris Servidad now serving for the Lady Tree.
Ganda ng ikot doon. Oops. Ang 3-point naman ay mapupunta sa kupunan ng Arellano
Point
University.
awarded to Arellano.
Meron silang error sa positioning.
Score is 5-7.
Bagong recruit. Nagpapakilala agad. Chris Servidad. Estrelier back set ni Tura.
Judiel Nitura.
Judiel Netura soars and scores for another Letran Lady Knights point. And when we come back, we will have a courtside update
In
from
favor of the
Christine
Paleo
San Agustin.
is on 1 minute time, Lady Knights.
You're still watching the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Mga kapuso, kung may dapat daw i-improve ang Arellano Lady Chiefs, ito ay ang kanilang communication skills. According to Coach Obed Javier, nandyan na daw, walang duda na nandyan ang kanilang individual skills, ngunit hindi nagtatranslate ito sa kanilang group performance dahil hindi nila ma-communicate ng maayos ang kanilang mga kailangan inside the court. With this, Coach Obed challenged the team to show the performance and passion that they had during their pre-season run at hindi malabong makahabol sila at maiuwi pa nila ang una nilang panalo ngayong season. Yan muna mula sa courtside, Anton and John Vic.
Thank you so much. Well, tama yun. Volleyball is team sport. So basically, naglalaro ka for your team, not for yourself. So ang individual skills, nandiyan na yan. Pero mas nagmamatter yung teamwork dahil yun yung magdidikta ng game.
That is concerning though na communication ang problem dahil magkakasama yan lagi yung
Yeah.
mga players. In fact, I saw them once at a restaurant during the off-season. Sa isang mahabang table yung buong Arellano Lady Chiefs team with Coach Obed. So that is strange that communication is the problem.
Another violation para dito sa Letran. And good thing about dito, sa bagong pasok na player, si Abitria. Kapagtala na agad siya ng first point.
Yeah, Kay Abitria. So Coach Obed Javier trying to find a spark para sa kanyang kuburan. Judiel. Smooth.
Judiel Nitura.
Alam mo kung nandito ka sa part kung saan pumapalo si Nitura, makikita mo yung taas and yung hang time niya. Every time bibigyan siya itong si Estrella.
Oh, nga, this is a good vantage point.
Diba? But another error para dito sa Letran.
Now serving for the leading Chiefs.
There is the new Letran Lady Knights head coach, Coach Mayet Carolino. One half of the famous Carolino sisters that brought back-to-back championships.
Yeah. Talagang it's more on Anton, communication. Dahil yung mga ganong simpleng instant na nangyari. Diba? Kung ready itong mga yung defense pattern kung naka-ready doon, hindi basta-basta lalaglag yung mga ganong kasimpleng drop ball.
9 points already for Judiel. Tudlasan. Silva again saves the day. Domasig. Silva. Binigay kay Martin. Tudlasan.
Wow!
Lorca Tudlasan.
And this is the loudest it has been.
Yeah.
Nagising ang Arellano faithful after this spike from Laika Tudlasan.
Serving for Arellano.
And considering na magagaling ang mga blockers nitong Letran, talagang kailangan utakan mo. Maging smart yung mga selection ng shots mo dahil kung ano yung ginawa kanina, ganun lang kasimpleng umiscore.
Tudlasan trying to get in a groove, kaya lang too much angle sa palo na yun.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 7, Laika Tudlasan out. Number 1, Kai Florida in.
So, Cassie Florida is in now for Arellano. So, yung mga rookies
Oo.
ni Coach Obed Javier, ginagamit niya in match number 1 for season 101. Estrelier running attack for Isar. Estrelier to Martin. Goodbye.
Yen Martin.
Sa lakas ng palo, kahit nakatapat na dun sa bola, parang hirap na hirap pa rin sila iangat na maayos.
Score is 30-39.
What a debut as a starter para dito kay Palang Padilla.
That's a block point for Letran.
Good timing there by Estrelier.
Medyo nahihirapan ng Arellano makarecover. And
Still
same
serving for the Lady Knights.
the way they react,
Padilla.
especially kapag hindi nila nakukuha yung coverage from attack. Parang sobrang frustrating para sa kanila. And as we can see naman dito sa part ng Letran, nag-enjoy lang silang lahat, Anton.
Number 1,
Leonelyn Padilla with an ace. They're just having fun out here. Itong Letran Lady Knights.
That's true.
Iba ng atake.
Oo, nabati. And in fairness sa mga bagong players ng Letran, especially kay Padilla, Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya and yung tulong na ibinibigay niya para sa kanyang team.
Estrelier. Oh, hang time
LJ
for
Izar.
LJ Izar.
Second
And Lady
technical
Knights
timeout of set number 2.
creating a 6-point
Our score
advantage
is
as we head to this
16-10
technical timeout.
in favor of the Poleo de San Juan de Letran Lady Knights.
By the way, guys, if you're wondering where you can get, or if you can get, the NCAA Season 100 Building Greatness shirts that the broadcast team has been wearing, you can check them out on the GMA store. It's 450 pesos. And these shirts only come out during the season. They will never be released ever again. So grab the opportunity to own a piece of history. Just check it out at the GMA store.
It's an ace!
What an ace para kay Martin. Akala ko rin, hindi na rin papasok yun, Anton. Gumulong sa nito.
Ay, nakatalikod na si Kat eh.
Again, it's more on communication. Kasi kahit hindi nakikita ng setter, yung bolang dumadating, dahil nga nagre-ready siya for attack, may mga teammates siya sa likod na nakakakita. Na basically, pwede nilang sabihin, uy, papasok, papasok.
Faye Mangubad now serving for
Talagang
the
medyo
Lady
naglalak ng communication itong kupunan ng Arellano.
Estrelier on the second touch. Kaya lang,
Net
she
touch
was
for
leaning
the
on the
tie.
net. So that's a point for
awarded
Arellano.
to the Lady Chiefs. Score is 12 serving 17.
Silva. Great pass. Eto na. Vanessa Sari. Arellano able to pick that one up.
Wow!
Chris
What a dig by
Servidor.
Abitria.
Yes.
So that is a moment for the rookie. Nadig ko yung palo ni Sari.
Oo.
That is the welcome to the NCAA moment right there.
After pumalo ni Servidad, tumingin lang siya ng konti kay Sari. Yun lang.
Vanessa Sari.
Nahuli niyo yung cross court. Eto, down the line naman. Third point, just the third point. All scored here in this set for Vanessa Sari.
Now serving
Kaya minsan
Lady
parang ang
Knights.
hirap galitin ng mga mga veteranong players, no? Especially kung alam na alam nila kung paano sila kukuha ng score.
So ikaw ba, bro, pag nadidig yung palo mo, does that light a fire in you? No?
Na-offend ako. Totoo yan.
That too strong.
Oh, we all know naman na maraming mga players na talagang magaling pagdating sa depensa. But pag pumapalo ko before, as in, parang na-offend ako. To the point na sasabihin ko sa setter, ibalik mo sa akin, babawi ako, doon ko uli papapuntahin.
And I'm sure na sa men's volleyball, knowing the trash talking and the psychological warfare, yung nakakadig sa palo mo, tumitingin pa sa'yo minsan.
Oo, part yun.
Unsala.
So, syempre, hindi ka papatalo. Ibalik mo sa akin mamaya. Ganon.
We see this drop
Now
right
serving
here.
for Arellano,
Punzalan.
Chris Servidor.
Si Casey, nakakagawa rin ng
Oops.
puntos para sa Arellano. Yun lang.
Service too wide.
Alam mo, ako yung nahihirapan sa side ng Arellano dahil from time to time nakakascore sila. Pero magbibigay naman sila ng errors papunta dito sa Letran. So,
Tayo na mismo sumisira sa sarili natin eh. Di ba sabi ko nga, unang-una, ang usapan natin kanina dapat hindi makareceive yung libero. Pero lahat ng bola nyo sa serve, sa palo, papunta sa libero. Parang ang layo ng usapan. Hindi tayo sumusunod sa gusto natin mangyari. Nagtatrabaho kayo ng sarili nyo lang. Hindi effective eh.
Go, go, go. Kaya ayaw mo makahalok.
Sa mga ganyang pagkakataon, Anton, they need someone or a leader na magde-discuss nung anong nagiging situation inside the court. Kasi pag ganyan ang nangyayari, even the coaches, hindi na nila naiintindihan yung instructions. Kailangan inside the team, merong someone na magle-lift ng moral at the same time mag-explain specifically ng mga dapat nilang gawin.
Yeah, come to think of it, who is that vocal leader from the Arellano Lady Chiefs? The Lara May Silva of Arellano. Kasi si Lara yung nagsasalita eh.
Oo.
Pag walang audience, pag walang drums, maririnig mo yung boses niya eh.
Totoo. At dahil meron isang tao silang pinagkakatiwalaan,
Score is 21-17.
doon mas nagiging smooth yung kanilang ginagawa. And yung mga trabaho nila individually nagiging as one. Dahil as one silang naglalaro.
That's a point for the Lady Knights.
Lady Knights 3 points away from taking a 2-0 lead in this match.
LJ
Looking good sa pagsisimula ng pagbabalik ni Coach Mayet Carolino sa kanyang alma mater.
Service error.
Tama, yung mga ganong klaseng error, simpleng error. Yeah, free point, pero hindi mo makikita sa kanila yung frustrations.
Kay Abitrian,
Diba?
serving
Parang,
for the
okay,
Lady
nag-error,
Chiefs.
okay lang yan, bawi tayo agad. Next job, anong gagawin natin? First receive, combination.
And it also helps na lamang sila ngayon.
Totoo.
So they can still afford to commit some errors. Tudlasan finds that
Laika
spot
Tudlasan.
where no Lady Knight was situated in.
Oo.
Nasa gitna.
And sa Arellano, alam mong meron silang ibubuga. It's just that hindi lang nila mailabas yung totoong laro nila. Kasi nga gaya ng sabi natin kanina, communication is the best way para maka-recover agad, di ba?
Servidad. Estrelier. Back set to Nitura.
Judiel
Grabe yung
Nitura.
elevation niya. Ibang klase. Parang may spring siya sa paa. The elevation, the hang time.
She's a natural.
And Sari now serving for the Lady Knights.
Yung pinanganak ka ng ganun ka, no? Na napaka-athletic mo. Ibang klase.
Sari. Oh, wow.
Bane.
Puntos pa yun para kay Bane.
Yung mga veterano players talaga, alam mo. Yung mga napakasimple, pero alam nila kung saan dadalhin yung bola.
Timeout, Arellano University.
Just a flick of the wrist for Vanessa Sari.
Ang simula ng practice natin, madalas backline attack. Diba? Kung nagpa-backline attack tayo, nakukuha natin yung mga ano. Kasi bakit natin nakukuha? Gumagalaw kayo. Eh, simpleng bola. Wala na sa tamang pwesto si Sari. Ano nangyari? Nagkasana naman eh.
Walang may nananalo 24.
Well, very frustrating dito sa part ng mga coaches. Gets ko yung sinasabi ni Coach Obet dahil ang gusto niya iparating sa mga players, pinapractice natin yun. First, every time nagka-practice kayo, yun yung ginagawa nyo, yung defense from the back row. Pero bakit anong nangyayari at nagtititigang kayo?
Sari could not chase. So that is a point for Arellano.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 16, Casey Punsalan out. Number 8, Nicole Kagika in.
And Alona Kagikla, team
Now
captain
serving for the
for
Lady
the second
Chiefs,
straight season,
team
is in
captain,
for the first
Nicole
time
Kagikla.
para sa AU. But Arellano cannot afford to make a mistake here. Estrelier to Martin. Down the line it goes.
Martin!
And Martin ends the second set.
Ganda ng palo niya doon. In fairness, ang advantage naman nitong Letran, mas maganda
Our score
yung
is
kanilang floor
25-17.
defense and yung mga attack selections nila. Napaka-effective ng mga attackers.
Lady Knights.
So, it's a 2-0 lead for Letran. Abangan natin kung makakabawi pa ang Arellano sa set number 3.